Hi guys, today we are talking about Chapter 4, Food and Beverage Division of Hotels. And I think the textbook does a wonderful job discussing this, so it's going to be real brief. So a hotel's food and beverage division may vary in size depending on the property. It may only consist of a modest cafe or bar at smaller hotels, while large resorts may have multiple bars, restaurants, catering options, you name it. In order to give you a better sense of what a large hotel has to offer, I've included links to the Omni Lacosta's website. So you'll see those in the text below this video. You'll see in their meeting space floor plans, they have countless combinations of spaces to suit different sized groups. The meeting capacity chart shows how many guests each space can hold in different seating styles. So you'll see that in the textbook, the different breakdowns of seating styles. And a link to their dining options shows the various restaurants and bars throughout the property. And then a link to their wedding brochure shows some of the amazing ideas for high budget weddings and events, including mouthwatering catering options and banquet menus. Obviously, the Omni is a top-ranked, top-tier hotel, and the prices certainly reflect that. So this is not standard pricing. This is top-tier, very high-end stuff. And I also want you to think about, once you've kind of reviewed this information and read the chapter, think about what seating arrangements you would use for the following events. So a wedding reception, conference, a lecture, a performance, or a cocktail party. So think about what seating styles you would use for those different events. And there are certainly, there's not really a right answer, but there's certainly ones that lend themselves better to certain types of events. It's easy to see why large properties need so many staff members under the food and beverage director. Many of the staff may only work behind the scenes in the kitchen or stewarding departments. For the employees who do interact with guests, training is so critical. Most of these guests will be visiting from other cities, other states, other countries. There may be cultural or language barriers that can make communication with guests difficult. The hotel should have clear policies in place regarding how to interact with guests and should have POS or point of service software that minimizes human error with guest billing. Managers overseeing hotel restaurants, bars, and catering services should always be on hand during peak meal periods or large events. They will oversee product quality, presentation, service, and handle any issues that may arise. As I mentioned in the last chapter, in recent years, there has been a big push for sustainability in the hotel industry and every industry. This definitely applies to their food and beverage departments as well. Guests will request environmentally friendly disposable dishes and silverware to be used at outdoor events. They'll also be looking for healthier options when dining away from home. So they'll be looking for buzzwords like line-caught fish, grass-fed beef, hormone-free chicken, organic produce, locally sourced produce, those sort of things. These trends of sourcing food provide healthy dining options to guests, but they may also have less impact on the environment as well. So staying on top of these industry and social trends will be critical for hotel management to attract guests and remain competitive.